Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the fastener by twisting it. Remove the lining by prying it back.
Remove the remaining fasteners.
Remove the fasteners by twisting them. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Pry up the tab and pull the connector to release the bulb. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the fasteners by twisting them. Fold the trunk lining to its original position.
Replace the remaining fastener.
Now this wing nut is the one that looks like it's also used for the cargo net basically, so it looks a little bit different than the other one. So just make sure that you put this one back on this section, otherwise you won't be able to hook up your cargo net if you so desire.